شو خازخ لخا مو اتلن من برد السارة ويخالط يارة دوخوا هي إلى مخلطة مجة ميجة وسارة وبسرة كوتشاتشة وجرمة وصفرة ولا خافي دورس مبشول الله إقارة خونن جوزيف تيلي افتم استراليا بايشتشي دديو قد مخلخلة دوخوا أي إلى مخلتي بش بسمتا تجبالي إلى ذا مخلتا عتقتا ويترتا وباروشتا دايا شو قخلا إش دوا نور النيخة بنيخة أتبشلا وناخة فناخو مبرجيتو أو فيديو تيلي شاي قد خاز خونن آرم من طولتد عليه ين تيبل اوف جادز مودي لمارا بودوخوا.
Food cooked by Assyrian locals. Among many dishes, the most famous was dikhwa. When I got back to Stockholm, I browsed the list of the world's oldest recipes, and recipe number 12 was strikingly similar to dikhwa. Lamb broth. Prepare water, add fat, salt, cake crumbs, onion, samido. Also add some milk and the rest of the text is missing. But although the ending of this 4,000-year-old recipe is missing, it's still strikingly similar to dikhwa. Both are essentially lamb broths with milk. In dikhwa, the milk takes the form of yogurt, likely also the case for the ancient recipe, as milk would sour quickly in the hot climate. Every Assyrian household seems to make this dish their own way. Visit tableofgods.com to get 3 of the world's oldest recipes from my upcoming cookbook, Table of Gods.